guys, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make frame-by-frame animations like this just look a little bit smoother. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, now that we're in our project, we're going to start off by deleting the Scratch Cat sprite, which I have already done. And what you can do right now is I already have the sprite preset in my backpack just to make this video a bit quicker. But he's actually pretty simple to draw. You're just gonna make like a gumdrop shape. But you don't have to do this on a duck, of course. You can do this on anything. But let's get into the real coding stuff now. So what we're going to want to do is we're just going to duplicate him because we want to make this smooth. We don't want it to be choppy. So we're just going to slowly change his costume little by little. And I'm going to make him blink too. And that is the wrong tool. So for this first part, to bring him down, I'm just going to kind of make him squish. You're going to want to use this tool right here, drag it down just a little bit. And for the eyes, I'm just going to use the normal select tool and bring it down just a little bit, like that. And I'm going to make his mouth move too, so just going to move it a little bit. You don't want it to move too much because it'll look really choppy and bad. So you're actually just going to keep repeating this process over and over until you feel like you've reached a spot where you want to stop. So we're just going to keep making him repeat the same thing over and over. And yeah, time-lapse time. Okay guys, I think this is going to be our last costume because we're going to stop after this. So I'm just going to delete these eyes and make it look like his eyes are closed by adding lines just like this. And do it on this side too. Alright, cool. Now we're going to completely close his mouth and just like that. And I believe we've already squished him. So now this is our middle costume, or basically the end. So what I'm gonna name it something else just to help me keep track. I'm just gonna put a bunch of lines because, yeah, why not? So he's the middle, but now if we just run this through, it'll make him go all the way down here, and then it'll just pop back up there, and that won't look good. We need to make it smoothly go back up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate each costume before this and drag it after this line. So we've gone one before the middle one. Now we're going to duplicate this one and drag it to the very bottom. And we're just going to keep repeating this process until we have finished the entire thing. Okay guys, so we've basically done this whole thing, and what you're going to do is you're not going to want to copy this top one up here because it's already going to go to that after we run this whole loop through. Now when we look from the top costume, it looks like this. He slowly closes, and once he's there, he slowly opens back up, just like that, and that looks pretty good. And so what we're going to do is actually work on the code now. What we're going to do is when flag clicked, we're going to want to set his costume to the first costume right there. Perfect. And we're also going to put a forever loop down. And this is actually pretty simple. We're just going to put in forever next costume, which is in the looks file. So forever next costume right here. And what this will do is make him repeatedly like open and close his mouth and kind of squish. So after that's done, we can basically do whatever we want. And if you think that this is going too fast, what you can do is put some weight blocks in. So you can put wait 0.1 seconds. I think that's a little bit too choppy, so we can try 0.05 seconds. And that's looking pretty good. And of course you can move him anywhere you want. And you can make an animation or game out of this and whatever you want. So that's it, and make sure you subscribe. Hey guys. Okay. Hey guys, today we're Hey guys, today we're going to be learning of how to move. Oh, that's not working.